This is the MCTV Weekday Update.
Welcome to the MCTV News Update. I'm Uvie Bikomo. According to the City of Lubbock statistics, a disproportionate number of minorities in the city have been affected with or have died from COVID-19. Of the 575 confirmed coronavirus cases, 242 people identified as Hispanic, which is approximately 42%. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, Lubbock County had a Hispanic population of 35.9%. The city's data also shows the number of COVID-19 deaths in people identified as Black or as higher than the average population, making up 12.7% of all COVID-19 deaths in Lubbock. Black and African American individuals only make up 7.8% of the population in Lubbock County. In a press release on Wednesday, Texas Governor Greg Abbott and the One Star Foundation announced the Texas COVID Relief Fund, which will provide critical funding and resources to organizations across the state. The funds raised are to be distributed through grants focused on community and economic development, healthcare, and education. For more information on the Texas COVID Relief Fund or to make a donation, visit onestarfoundation.org/TXCOVIDFund. A new study published on medRxiv found nearly everyone who has had the coronavirus disease eventually makes antibodies. Several countries, including the United States, are hoping that antibody tests can help decide who is immune to the virus and can return to work. In what researchers call shield immunity, people who are immune could potentially replace vulnerable individuals to help rebuild the population, especially in high transmission environments. The study also eased a worry that only some people might be able to make antibodies, as the level of antibodies did not differ by age, sex, or severity of illness. The research is still in preprint and subject to peer review. Around the country, Latino populations are disproportionately affected by the virus. According to official data, Latinos in Oregon, Washington State, Iowa, and Utah have been getting sick at rates more than double the share of the population. The disparities appear most significant in states that have comparatively newer and less established Hispanic communities. State officials and public health experts say factors such as heavy minority representation in service jobs requiring them to work through the pandemic, lack of or inaccess to health care, and frequent contact with the public makes the Latino population vulnerable. The disparities are narrower in Latino communities with a longer history in the country, like those in Arizona, California, New Mexico, and Texas. Yesterday, Frontier Airlines became the first United States carrier to announce plans to take its passengers' temperatures before boarding commercial flights. The move was made in an effort to make travel safer as parts of the American economy continue to reopen. Beginning June 1st, customers will be screened via touchless thermometers prior to boarding, and anyone with a temperature of 100.4 degrees or higher will be denied boarding, a requirement that came after several major transit agencies and facilities also announced measures to limit the spread of the virus. In addition, all Frontier Airport team members will not be allowed to work if their temperature is 100.4 degrees or higher at the start of their shift. That's a look at today's news for MCTV. I'm Uvie Bikomo.